I'm a go-getter, it's in my bloodline, you should know better. You been hustling the pussy, boy, don't stress it. I could go get her in one try just to show levels. New drip with some old leather. Look how I do it, effortless when I'm moving, yeah. Look how I do it, effortless when I'm moving, yeah.
What's up, boys? This is your boy coming back with another flawless video here. Now, my camera might die. I don't know. I haven't charged it in a while, so we might switch over to the phone and with my gyroscope mount, which is actually awesome, and we used to do it back in the day. It's as good as quality as this, but, you know, it's not a $1,000 camera. It's a $1,000 phone with a camera attached to it. So, yeah. The real thing today is, alright, so the next couple of weeks coming up, I'm hoping, you know, I was gonna buy a $12,000 FRS, which I haven't showed you. The deal was lost, the car was sold, money wasn't here in time to actually go and do it, which really sucked. I wanted the FRS, look forward to it, but now we gotta realize something. When you have a project, you finish a project, and if you don't finish a project and you get another one, the other one's gonna be long history gone. And, you know, the way my time is balanced back and forth, I only have time for one project. So what I'm gonna be doing is getting probably like a $4,000 daily, and which is nice just to have for the winter time. It's an SUV most likely, you know, to go to place because I don't like taking my cars on long trips. You know, it's just, it's too fragile to me. You know, it's an airbag system that was $3,000 that I'm riding on. I don't want to drive somewhere and the bags pop, and that's $1,000 that I gotta fix. You know, we can use $1,000 on a mod if the car was just parked. So today is actually a mod starting on the mod that's coming. The mod that's coming is we got to get seat brackets made, you know, customly for the car, and we're getting Brom racing seats. Now they're expensive, but they're bright red leather racing seats, and I thought it's time. You know, I've always wanted to change the seats, but there's one issue. An airbag light comes on, and a lot of states you can't get your car registered because it's unsafe. Well, you know, no airbags, you crash, you might die. You'll die either way with airbags, you know, in my opinion. But airbag light went on my car, and today we're taking it to the step and we're just saying, screw it. I know people that get my car registered too. Let's throw in new seats and let's throw in a new steering wheel. Why not? We don't need necessarily any reason for an airbag if the light's on and they won't deploy. So, but today we're gonna hit the back seats, guys. And what I got here is duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. So I see a lot of videos on people painting their seats and stuff like that, and I think it's cool. I've never thought coming out of a can would change the color of your seats, but we're gonna test it today, and I'm gonna tell you my honest review. You know, if I screw up, it's my fault. It looks like crap. I understand. I don't want you guys to go through that. You know, you need my personal review, and you guys know you can trust me on a lot of stuff. So let's go do that. I'm gonna show you how to take out the seats, because it's only a couple bolts. Very simple. And let's get these awesome custom leather red seats in the back of our car. I can't even say that without stuttering. But I skipped my class today just so that I can do this. You know, I'm not worried. I've never skipped that class ever, so we're okay. Let's actually have some fun on the car. Let me do some stuff to show you. And I hope you guys enjoy. And sooner or later, I'm gonna have the new hoodies on the channel, which is gonna be sick. I can't wait to show them off to you guys, because I think I haven't really showed them off to you, but they're absolutely out of this world. Coolest one ever, and they're on my Facebook if you wanna go look at them. And if you guys wanna purchase one, hit me up. I'll even try to send one you personally, because the website that I deal with doesn't do vinyl, they do print. And my lovely girlfriend actually bought one, and I've never seen one in person, and she was one of the first, which that makes it even more special to me. And I can't wait to see other people buy hoodies from there, because I want to see what their opinions are on it. But everybody needs to notice, she was one of the first. Well, I shouldn't say one of the first, she was the first. So let's go paint those seats, and let's go make another flawless video. And next video's coming up. Thank you to that one lucky subscriber that posted it down below. What mod should you do first? Well, that's a mystery symbol at this point. I'll tell you in a little bit, because this is my personal opinion when I get to that video. Make sure your engine, make sure all your suspension links and everything is perfect before you even work on the car. Because if you put thousands of dollars into modding it, you're gonna have to, you know, have your car just sitting down because it's broke down because the engine decided to take a shit on you. Oh, sorry, can't say that on YouTube. My bad. Let's go paint these seats. I'm done talking. Let's go. walking over to the car, you want to open up your beautiful back door. And you want to make sure you got light in there because it's pitch dark. And you also want to open up your lovely truck on the hatch. Trunk, not truck. Beautiful artwork from my girlfriend. I still haven't had time to take it home. I'm actually home right now, so we're going to take that inside, protect it in the trunk. We actually have to take out all the hardwood flooring, the brackets, and we have to get down to the bare metal of the back seats just because there's two lovely bolts holding in the top mounted seats. These back ones right here, if I get some more lighting, you can actually, I'm pretty sure, just pull. I'm going to look at that, and this isn't going to be too hard. You just need to have some time. You need to make sure you're indoor, and you need to make sure it's probably like 30 to 50 degrees in your garage, because if it's too cold, it doesn't really like to stick too well. So let's get started on that, and let's get these seats out and get some more lighting for you. Oh my god, wait. That kid! My girlfriend's brother left that stupid marker in the back of my car. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. I hate people. Nah, I love you. Don't worry. Alright, let's go. So gross. Let's get him out. There's pennies. Well, there's pennies falling, guys. You know what that means. To my girlfriend, I play with dreidels on Christmas. You don't get the joke, guys. I do. So, let's pull this out. You know, while we're at it, we can probably work on our fuel tank. If you want to do that. I don't want to. Mine works. For now. Don't jinx it. We're gonna get to the back. Alright, guys. Taking out that back seat part, I found 25, 35, 40, 46, and an SD card. 46 cents, we can put that to the next mod. 46 cents. It's going to the next mod. We're gonna engine swap with 46 cents. That would be a crazy video, but that's not gonna happen. I wanted to do an engine swap, guys, from a Mazda Speed to this, and keep the automatic transmission. Yes, you're gonna scream at me because I love automatic. I know how to drive manual. Not my thing. In some cars, I like it, but where I live, it's constant potholes, constant stopping and going, up and down hills. It's just a hassle, you know. And I don't recommend this, but I like to be on my phone when I drive. I like playing Pandora. It felt so good taking out. But we got an SD card for the camera and 46 cents for the mod. So let's clean out these back seats because it's disgusting. We're not doing the front ones, by the way. The front ones, maybe later on just to screw around. But the front ones, they're probably just gonna get pulled out when we get the prom seats. So we're just gonna keep them black for now. So let's go. As you guys know, I made this super simple. You literally can just pull out these pieces and click them back together, which is super nice about it. And we can get back to our back of our trunk. Now, air ride setup is super sweet because I can just literally move that to the side just to get to those brackets, and we're A-okay. So let's do that. So, we got all the guts out, laid my tank down. Luckily, the way I wired it, I was able to plug and play for the compressor. Also, new thing that's coming to the channel, this tank, this compressor is going bye-bye. I'm gonna get one of the new endo tanks. The endo tanks have the compressor built in the tank, so you do not have to worry about any water, moisture, or any cold air screwing up your bags, so you're good all year round. It's amazing, it's simple, and if it breaks, it's very easy to install. With their bolt-on system, they don't have welding anymore, so which is nice, love it. Alrighty guys, now there's 2 bolts on the left side, the middle, and the right. That's all it takes to get that back seat out. The other one, it's just click and play and you're ready to go. And now, let's go start prepping and painting. Alrighty my dudes, I'm lasting on my battery life. Dope as hell. Alright, that's the back seats. That's the bottom part of the back seats, which these were just pull out. These, I think there was in total six bolts. And here's your headrest. Actually, me and my girlfriend bought these just to have a couple of drinks like in the car or whatever, but they actually turned out really dope. You just stab the hole and they make a nice good stand for them to get a nice, you know, spray. Now, my back seats have the cup holders, so that's an issue with me. I think I'm just gonna push this down, paint that whole thing red, and when I open it up, it'll be black, just to have an accent in the middle. And your belt clips and things like that should be safe 100% with that, because that is for vinyl, plastic, anything like that. So that is a good thing. I'm gonna go get some soap and water, to clean these off so that we can get all those chemicals and everything off like that, and then we'll be a-okay and start painting. Alright guys, so I started cleaning them up. Now, you're going to want to do light coats, you know, like any normal painting job. And here's the product if you guys want to look it up. I got it from AutoZone for $4. $4 freaking dollars. I may need another can, who knows. But this is going to be a quick, easy spray. Make sure you're doing light coats, nothing close, about 8 inches away. You'll be okay. And let's see what this looks like at the end. Alright guys, I know I didn't show a time lapse, which kind of sucked. And I know, yell at me, I don't care. I do care. But we actually had to use 2 cans, so your profit was looking about $8, and I would even get another can, so you're probably looking around 11-ish. But this is with 2 cans. That's to do my headrest and all that, and they look awesome. Like, I mean, in camera, legitly, they kind of look like in a original. Alright guys, we had to switch over to the phone, which is okay, but these are the seats with 2 cans. We actually had to hook up the bags, and oh my god, it's so annoying when your compressor's just laying down. Oh, dude, it's annoying. It's louder than my exhaust, which is sad. But 2 cans got me this. They look absolutely out of this world, and they dry it instantly. Like, I recommend keeping them out of the car for a couple hours, just, you know, because you don't want to grab it, then it gets all over your hand. But I kind of want to see something real quick. Okay. Being that it was cut off, we can always go back with another can and spray it. But, you know, for the most part, it's legitly like the perfect shape, which looks kind of cool. And this doesn't really get open much, so I think it will look cool when it's laying flat down because it has the black accent. But you never know, which is nice. But we can't open it up and spray it. The problem I didn't want to do was spray the plastic, which this plastic is sprayed, and I mean, it still looks really good, but I'm not really, you know, I might even scuff that off or paint over that black because I'm not really into the whole, you know, it needs some black accents. That's why, you know, I didn't paint the brackets on these guys, so you won't notice the red on that. You'll notice the black. So we're going to let these dry. We'll come back, and we might leave these out. We might just put them back in. Or, you know, I might wait because the Duplicolor, I actually went to AutoZone and A&A, or Advanced, my bad, but they only had 1 can in each store. So I actually have to wait for them to get a new one in. I can order it, come in a day later, which is nice. So I might even do that, and we'll finish off the video then. Whatever I decide, we're going to just let this dry for now, let it dry, and I'll come back to this in a little bit. So we're going to head out over to the girlfriend's house, and we'll be back.
Alrighty guys, sorry, I don't actually have a clip of me reinstalling the seats and showing them off at the end, but I went back in my photo cloud and stuff like that. I did pick up off my phone, as you guys seen in that last clip, but I have a few photos that I posted on Facebook, and I'm actually going to post them, you know, right up here for you guys just to see them real quick. Also, you know, a few pictures of me. I had to drive around with actually no seats in my car, and oh my god, if you guys have bags and you have no suppression at all on your compressor, dude, you're gonna lose an eardrum. I drove for 15 minutes literally in my car just to go pick up my girlfriend, and my ears were shot when that compressor was on. Oh my god, it's so bad. But overall, I think this was a great video, and yes, this clip that I'm making right now is up to date. You know, as you guys can see that video was a little bit older. It wasn't too much older. It was recent. It was probably about a month ago. I created that video for you guys, and you know, I did paint my back seats. Came out flawless. The first time it did not. When I did it, I actually had to paint strip and strip that off, because for the fact is it was too cold out and it cracked it and it didn't soak into it, and I didn't clean it properly, so it was actually pretty easy to come off. It just literally cracked and peeled right off, like plasti dip in a sense, but if it was frozen, you know what I'm saying. Overall though, It is a very good product. I heard that it is going to be discontinued from the stores itself. You'd have to purchase it online. And since the product didn't work, I actually called the company. They sent me a full refund on the cans of paint that I used, which, to be honest, I think is super sweet. And yeah, take your time, prep very carefully, make sure you get all that grease off, because I do clean my leather seats with leather wipes, obviously, and I guess I didn't get it all off. I actually took it into my house and did it in my basement, for the fact was, it was just way too cold outside, and my basement is heated, my garage is not, but it was probably about, I want to say 50 degrees that day. I recommend doing this on a hot, sunny day, you know, where it's, you know, humid and really hot out, just to be on the safe side, because when it's hot out, it sticks, trust me on that. And even though I did it in the garage with a heater blowing on it, it still cracked on me, and I wasted my money, but the company saved me, gave me my money back. I recommend Duplicolor, I believe it was, 100%. The link will be down below for the actual product. It's at Advanced Auto, it's at AutoZone, Pep Boys, and Amazon, and Duplicolor's actual website. Now they show you a video also if you ever want to sell a car that has any kind of seating in it, any kind of upholstery material. You can literally redo it and it looks mint, brand new, fresh off the thing, and if it doesn't work, they do give you your money back, and that's no joke. I actually didn't expect it to happen to me, but it did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's another flawless video here, and I know some people don't like when I say it's another flawless video, but to me, it was another flawless project. And let's keep on making these videos. Let's see where it goes. And I can't wait to see what goes on with the Mazda. I have so many ideas in my head. It's just the fact is that, you know, I'm thinking about starting my own vinyl business. A couple things. There's a couple things that where I want to save my money for something elsewhere, because those things will make me more money. So let's end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love seeing different things happen to my car, and I've never seen a Mazda with leather red seats in the back, or red seats in the back at all. And it was just something different. And the leather seats for the front, eventually we're gonna get them. Like again, I bought a car. This video was made a month ago. I had different plans a month ago, and you guys know things changed. I just bought a new car for $14K. You know, that kind of sets me back. So let's end the video off here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces, people.